Bihar, located in eastern India, is considered to be one of the oldest settlements in the world. Bihar is a treasure trove for enthusiasts of ancient architecture and history. One of its most famous sites is the Rohtasgarh Fort that offers a captivating journey through time. Rohtasgarh Fort is a silent sentinel perched atop the Kaimur Hills in Sasaram. It covers an area of 42 square kilometers. The fort has 83 gates, underground passages and tunnels, and is steeped in legends. Located in the southwest of Munger district, the Bhim Bandh Wildlife Sanctuary is a picturesque sanctuary with beautiful hills and dense forest cover. The main attraction of Bhim Bandh is its famous hot springs. Today, the hot springs that have a constant temperature throughout the year attract a lot of tourists. Adding to Bihar's aquatic charm is the sprawling Amvaman Lake, spread across 400 acres in Betia, West Champaran district. This lake offers a serene retreat and a thrilling water sports zone. Adventure enthusiasts can indulge in an array of activities, including parasailing, navigating motorboats, kayaking, pedal boating, and jet skiing while enjoying the beauty of nature. A haven with lush hills, verdant landscapes, and rivers, perfect for creating memories. Bihar, the treasure trove for nature lovers.